But moving on, days after a string of arrests of separatist leaders in Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti has now stoked a major controversy. She said that there should be no tinkering of Article 35A of the Constitution that is being debated in the Supreme Court. Now, 35A empowers the Jammu and Kashmir state's legislator to define permanent residents of state and provide special rights and privileges to those permanent residents. Mehbooba has said, and this is what he made the statement while saying this, that any change in the status would invite repercussion that would mean that nobody will be able to protect the tricolour in the state.
Let me tell you, let me share something with you कि 35A के साथ छेड़छाड़ ये जो साहब मेरे पास सामने बैठे हैं या मैं बैठी हूं, जो वहां पर हमारी पार्टीज जो वहां नेशनल फ्लैग को लेके खड़े होते हैं, सारे रिस्क के बावजूद हमारे वर्कर्स, इनके भी हजारों की तादाद मारे गए, हमारे भी मारे जाते हैं। तो मैं ये बताने में मुझे कोई गुरेज नहीं है कि उस झंडे को कांधा देने वाला कोई नहीं होगा। लेट मी मेक इट वेरी क्लियर, उसको कांधा देने वाला कोई नहीं रहेगा। टू मी इंडिया इज इंदिरा गांधी। Maybe some people don't like her. To me, that's India. You know, when I was growing up, she represented India for me. You know, she was the image that जब बोलते थे क्या है, तो यही हिंदुस्तान की जो हमारे मुल्क की फिल्में हैं, that is India.
My colleague Shuja joining us now. Shuja, here's another controversial statement. Won't go down well with the ally BJP. Not only she says that 35A, which basically bars the non-residents of Jammu and Kashmir to buy property in the state. She said, don't tinker with it, otherwise there'll be no one left to hold the tricolour in the state. She also says, to me, India is Indira Gandhi. What's the response we're getting from the BJP?
Well, so far really nothing, but it is certainly a statement that PDP's ally BJP would not agree with. In fact, when she was talking about 35A, she was hinting at the court cases which have been filed by various organizations which are linked to hardline Hindu outfits in various courts of the country where they have challenged 35A. She was pointing towards that, saying that if it is removed and there is tinkering with the special status given to Jammu and Kashmir, then there would be no mainstream political party that can hold the flag of the country in the valley. This, remember, comes at a time when there have been so many hard, stands that the government of India has taken against separatist leaders in the valley. 7 of them have been arrested, and there's still, questioning being done by NIA against many others. So putting all of this together, it does, point towards the fact that the PDP and the BJP perhaps are not on the same page when it comes to the functioning and, day-to-day issues of Jammu and Kashmir, particularly and more importantly with regards to the special status of the state.
Well, Shuja, be with me, because let's take that reaction once again of Mehbooba Mufti. What she says in the context of Article 35A, as my colleague Shuja has been explaining, Article 35A means that if you are not a resident of Jammu and Kashmir, you cannot buy property in the state. And this is where alienation of the state also started, many experts feel. And hence this article has been debated. It's been taken in the judicial domain as well. But here's Mehbooba Mufti's take on it. Let's play that out reaction again.
Let me tell you, let me share something with you कि 35A के साथ छेड़छाड़ ये जो साहब मेरे पास सामने बैठे हैं या मैं बैठी हूं, जो वहां पर हमारी पार्टीज जो वहां नेशनल फ्लैग को लेके खड़े होते हैं, सारे रिस्क के बावजूद हमारे वर्कर्स, इनके भी हजारों की तादाद मारे गए, हमारे भी मारे जाते हैं। तो मैं ये बताने में मुझे कोई गुरेज नहीं है कि उस झंडे को कांधा देने वाला कोई नहीं होगा। लेट मी मेक इट वेरी क्लियर, उसको कांधा देने वाला कोई नहीं रहेगा। टू मी इंडिया इज इंदिरा गांधी। Maybe some people don't like her. To me, that's India. When I was growing up, she represented India for me. She was the image that जब बोलते थे क्या है, तो यही हिंदुस्तान की जो हमारे मुल्क की फिल्में हैं, that is India.
Yet another controversial statement from Mehbooba Mufti, who's earlier also espoused talk with all the stakeholders, including separatists and the park agents, which way Is Mehbooba Mufti playing this one? Because it seems like pushing of the Pakistan agenda yet again, saying don't tamper with special status, otherwise no one will be able to hold the tricolour in the valley. Moving on now, we'll get you more reaction on the story.